So I'm still looking at the 4240 display here in 9870 Combine. If I click up in the top here, this will show me all the pages that I have, but currently I only have one guidance page, which is the default that comes with the 4240. So if I want to add a new page, what I'm going to do is go to the menu button. I'm going to go to Applications, and then to Layout Manager. And I only have one active run page and one page at all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go add a new page, and because I'm in a combine, I'm going to put in something to do with yield and moisture. So if I go to Work Totals in Applications, when I added a module, go to Work Totals. Here I get some options. I can look at this little guy here, or a few different things. I think I'm going to add this big one, and I can move it anywhere I want. I'm going to put it right in the middle there. So that'll be a good one to give us lots of different totals on what I like to see. I'm also going to make sure that I can see my auto track, whether it's engaged or not, and a few different options there for different things that you can put as little modules, and you can build your own page and customize it pretty much however you want. I'm going to use this one, and I'll put that over here just to see how that looks. I'm going to go click Save. I got to name it. We'll call it Totals, and save. So now I have two pages, but this one says it's unused currently. So I'm going to have to go into my active set. I'm going to go into my active run pages, and I'm going to add a run page, which I already created. Totals is the only one I can do because that's the only one I have, and now I have two. If I go click Save now and exit out of this, now I'll be able to click up at the top here. I see two pages. The other way is I can swipe this whole thing, and now I'm seeing my totals there. I'm seeing my auto track. Those are the two modules that I made. Alternatively, I can just switch between using these buttons at the top. So that's how you make a new page.